Whenever you walk into a room or meet someone new, what do you think people notice first? Your shoes, your clothes, your face? The truth is, it's none of those. The very first thing people notice is the way you walk. And honestly, more than 90% of people walk the wrong way. Don't believe me? Just go to any public place and observe how people walk. You'll see how awkward and even funny many of those walking styles look. But now think about how a leader walks, or how a model walks on the runway. Their walk carries power, presence, and confidence. Just by the way they move, they grab everyone's attention. So if you feel your walking style isn't strong enough, isn't powerful enough, then this video is a must-watch until the very end. Because once you master your walk, people will never be able to ignore you again. I'm going to share with you a formula to develop a walk that makes you look like a leader. A walk so confident that people can sense your energy before you even say a word. So let's get started. Step 1. Your posture. A lot of people walk as if they're sick or tired. Their posture is slouched, shoulders drooped, back bent, and nothing makes you look less confident than bad posture. Stand tall, keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed but not hunched. The way you carry your body says whether you're strong and energetic or weak and unsure. Step 2. Walk with your head high. Every powerful person walks with their head held high. They never stare at the floor or avoid eye contact. But many people do just that when someone approaches. They immediately look down, walk faster, and hope to avoid interaction. This makes you look insecure. Instead, face forward, keep your chin slightly up, and make eye contact when needed. Walking with your head high shows that you know where you're going and you're confident about it. Step 3. Walking speed. Your pace matters. Some people rush like they're being chased. Others drag their feet as if they have no purpose in life. Both are wrong. Your walk should be steady, controlled, and at a medium pace, not too fast, not too slow. The rhythm of your steps should say, I'm in control. I know what I'm doing. Step 4. Open hands. Notice how many people walk with their arms crossed or hands stuffed in their pockets. This body language screams fear or insecurity. Leaders walk with open arms, literally. Their hands move naturally with their stride, showing confidence and energy. Keep your arms relaxed and let them swing naturally. Don't overdo it so you look cartoonish, but avoid hiding your hands. If you like, you can put one hand in your pocket, but keep the other free. This makes you look relaxed, yet confident. Step 5. Be the leader. In group situations, insecure people usually walk at the back or off to the side, but a true leader always positions themselves in the center. The person walking in the middle is the one people notice first. That's the one who looks the most confident, the one who leads. So when you walk with friends or colleagues, don't shy away from the middle. Step into the spotlight. It will instantly change how people see you. Step 6. Shoulder swing. Watch confident people walk, and you'll notice something. Their shoulders move naturally with every step. It's subtle but powerful. Relax your shoulders. Let them swing slightly with your stride. This movement makes you look stronger, more natural, and more in command. Step 7. Heel first. This small detail changes everything. Always land on your heel first when you step, and then roll your foot forward. Leaders, models, and powerful personalities walk this way. Their steps are straight, controlled, and aligned with their direction, not turned inward or outward. Walking heel first gives your stride rhythm, strength, and confidence. It creates an impression of balance and power that people instantly notice. So there you have it, 7 simple yet powerful steps to transform your walking style. Master them, and your presence will change completely. People won't just see you, they'll feel your confidence the moment you walk in.